Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Your kidneys are essential for maintaining your overall health, as they filter waste and excess fluids from your blood. However, certain foods can stress your kidneys and potentially cause serious health problems if consumed excessively. In this video, we'll discuss 10 foods you should be cautious about or avoid to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. 1. Foods high in oxalates. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many plants, and consuming them in large amounts can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Common foods high in oxalates include spinach, rhubarb, beets, sweet potatoes, and nuts like almonds and cashews. While these foods are generally healthy, it's important to consume them in moderation, especially if you're prone to kidney stones. However, oxalates are not the only contributors to kidney stone formation. Other factors like dehydration, high calcium intake, and certain medical conditions also play a role. If you choose to eat foods high in oxalates, there are steps you can take to reduce your risk of kidney stones. For instance, pairing high oxalate foods with calcium-rich foods like dairy products can help reduce oxalate absorption in your gut. Additionally, staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial. 2. High-fat dairy products. While dairy can be a good source of calcium and protein, consuming too many high-fat dairy products can harm your kidney health. A diet high in saturated fats can increase your risk of developing kidney disease. High-fat dairy products, such as whole milk, cream, butter, and certain cheeses like cheddar and Parmesan, are often high in saturated fats. These fats can contribute to the development of fatty deposits in your blood vessels, which over time can narrow them and reduce blood flow to your kidneys, leading to kidney damage. If you enjoy dairy, opt for low-fat or fat-free options like skim milk, low-fat yogurt, and cottage cheese. These choices still provide the benefits of dairy without the added risk to your kidneys. 3. Processed and packaged foods. Processed and packaged foods often contain high amounts of sodium, phosphorus, and preservatives, which can strain the kidneys. Examples include deli meats, canned soups, frozen dinners, and salty snacks like chips and crackers. These foods are typically high in sodium, causing your body to retain extra water and putting stress on your kidneys. Over time, this can lead to high blood pressure and potential kidney damage. To protect your kidneys, limit your intake of processed and packaged foods and opt for fresh, whole foods instead. When choosing packaged foods, read labels carefully for lower sodium and phosphorus options. Additionally, preparing meals at home with fresh ingredients allows you to control the amount of sodium and other additives in your food. 4. Red meat. Red meat, such as beef, pork, and lamb, can be problematic for kidney health when consumed in excess. Red meat is high in protein, and when your body breaks down protein, it produces waste products that your kidneys need to filter out. Excessive protein can strain and damage your kidneys over time, particularly for individuals who already have or are at risk of developing kidney disease. Additionally, red meat is often high in saturated fats, which can further contribute to kidney issues. To mitigate these risks, limit red meat consumption to once or twice a week, and choose leaner cuts when possible. Incorporate other protein sources into your diet, such as poultry, fish, and plant-based foods. These alternatives are typically lower in saturated fats and gentler on your kidneys. 5. Foods high in sugar. Foods high in sugar can be harmful to your kidney health. Consuming sugary foods and drinks can cause blood sugar levels to spike, which over time, can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys. This damage can lead to reduced kidney function and potentially kidney disease. Common sugary foods include soda, candy, baked goods, and sweetened cereals, all of which contain added sugars that can contribute to kidney problems. Besides damaging blood vessels, excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain and other health issues like diabetes, further impacting kidney health. It's also crucial to consider the types of sugars you consume. While all added sugars can be harmful in excess, some, like high fructose corn syrup, are particularly linked to an increased risk of kidney disease and other health problems. 6. Foods high in phosphorus. Foods high in phosphorus can be problematic for kidney health, particularly if you already have kidney issues. Phosphorus is essential for bone health, but impaired kidneys may struggle to remove excess phosphorus from the blood. This can lead to a buildup, further damaging the kidneys and potentially causing bone problems. Foods high in phosphorus include processed meats, colas, and certain dairy products like milk and cheese. It's important to note that while limiting high phosphorus foods can benefit kidney health, completely eliminating them is unnecessary. Many of these foods, such as dairy products and certain meats, provide essential nutrients like calcium and protein. The key is to consume these foods in moderation. 7. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are another category to be cautious about when it comes to kidney health. Although often promoted as a healthier alternative to sugar, some studies suggest they may actually be harmful to your kidneys. One study found that women who consumed 2 or more diet sodas daily had a higher risk of kidney function decline compared to those who consumed less. Another study indicated that aspartame, a common artificial sweetener in diet sodas and other sugar-free products, might increase the risk of kidney disease. While more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between artificial sweeteners and kidney health, it's best to err on the side of caution and limit your intake of these products. If you do use artificial sweeteners, consume them in moderation and be mindful of the products you choose. 8. Caffeine. While caffeine isn't inherently harmful to your kidneys, excessive consumption can lead to health issues that may impact kidney function. High caffeine levels can raise blood pressure, which can damage your kidneys over time. Additionally, if you have existing kidney issues, caffeine can exacerbate these problems by increasing calcium and oxalate in your urine, contributing to the formation of kidney stones. Caffeine also acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production and potentially leading to dehydration if you're not careful. To protect your kidneys, limit your caffeine intake to no more than 400 mg per day, roughly equivalent to 4 cups of coffee. If you have kidney disease or are at risk for kidney stones, you may need to reduce your intake even further. 9. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can be extremely harmful to your kidneys. When you drink alcohol, your kidneys have to work harder to filter it out of your blood, placing a significant burden on these vital organs over time. Additionally, alcohol can dehydrate your body, further stressing your kidneys and potentially leading to kidney damage. Chronic heavy drinking can also increase your risk of developing liver disease, which can adversely affect kidney function. To protect your kidneys, it's best to limit alcohol intake to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. If you have existing kidney issues, you may need to avoid alcohol altogether. It's also important to be mindful of the types of alcoholic beverages you consume. While moderate amounts of red wine may offer some health benefits due to its antioxidant content, other types of alcohol, like beer and hard liquor, can be more detrimental to your kidneys and overall health. 10. High-sodium condiments. Lastly, let's discuss high-sodium condiments such as soy sauce, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. While these condiments can enhance the flavor of your favorite dishes, they often contain excessive amounts of sodium, which can pose risks to kidney health. Consuming too much sodium can cause your body to retain extra water to dilute it, placing strain on your kidneys and potentially leading to high blood pressure over time. Given that high blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease, it's crucial to monitor your sodium intake to safeguard your kidneys. To summarize, we've covered 10 foods that can adversely affect kidney health when consumed in excess. By being mindful of your consumption of these foods and opting for healthier alternatives, you can take proactive steps to protect your kidneys and maintain their optimal function. Remember, your kidneys play a crucial role in overall health, so it's essential to care for them by making wise dietary choices and staying adequately hydrated. If you have any concerns regarding your kidney health, it's advisable to consult your doctor for personalized advice and guidance. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.